Everyone, myself Mrs. Rosaline Nirmala, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. In this video, we are going to see about the blueprint. It is very important for the as a teacher student because it is very useful when you are preparing the question paper. Okay, here the blueprint is nothing but it is a three-dimensional chart. It is a three-dimensional chart. It is nothing but weightage to the objectives, weightage to the type of postings, and weightage to the content. So that's why we used to say that it is a three-dimensional chart. So blueprint reflects the three things, that is weightage to the objectives, weightage to the type of posting, and weightage to the content. First we will see what are the weightage to the objectives. So weightage to the objectives in the sense you have to keep in mind the four objectives, that is weightage to the content, weightage to the knowledge, understanding, application and skill. So these are the four main objectives when you keep in mind when you are preparing the question paper, that is knowledge, understanding, application and skill. So when you are preparing the question paper also, you have to take 60% of the question from knowledge and understanding. That is knowledge and understanding consists of the 60% of the questions. Then remaining 40% only skill and application. Remaining 40% only skill and the application. So as I know that you all understand what are the weightage to the objectives given when you are taking the question paper. Next one is weightage to the type of questions. Weightage to the type of questions. As already was studied in the what are the test items. So the test items consist of the objective based, there is short answer, brief and essay type. Okay, so these are the test items. So when you have that preparing the question paper also, objective type contains maybe choosing the correct answer, fill-ups and matching and write one word. So these are all comes under the objective type questions. Then you may have a very short answer and brief and essay type. So as you are a student teachers, when you are preparing the question paper in the achievement test, when you are teaching practice time, you can prepare only 25 mark questions, that is enough. So those who are handling +1 higher secondary level, you can take the question paper for 50 marks. So the 25 marks, you can take 10 marks as objective type questions and 2 5-mark questions 10 marks, then 1 essay type question. So 25 marks allotted. So these are the different type of the questions. You may have your own choice. Maybe 3-mark question as a brief, and essay type as a 5-mark or a 10-mark. So if you are practicing in the first time, if you are taking without choice, it is easy for you to prepare a blueprint. So before setting the question paper, you prepare a blueprint. Then what is the weightage to the content? Weightage to the content is what are the topic you are going to have that particular exam. That is called as weightage to the content. Weightage to the content. Okay, for example, if you have only one lesson for 25 marks, you can also split up the lesson into two parts, that is part A and part B. So you know which one is very important. So you may have the 19 marks for the part A and remaining marks for the part B. Or if you have two lessons, so you divide that particular mark. You may have 25 marks or 50 marks or 100, whatever may be. According to your mark which you are going to conduct a test, according to that you can divide the content. So that this only called as weightage to the content. Weightage to the content. So I hope hope that